Me mama nyina akwa baby ya say she adi kan. Me da mu nyina say obi a wa subscribe to this channel. Now her channel be ko anim nyame nshira. Wonso a oye new to this channel no. Waba me ma wakwa aba. Sa na ya me kan waba atena. Aha ne de opa bibi esua. Step by step how your channel so nti ene de mani di age me ne mo be share one of my classic donut recipes. The nti am friend classic ne say very nice, very moist, very rich. What try me donut my first video no way even better than that one. And no me find say me pe donut di on a daily basis and me pe no too rich. Way are rich for weddings and parties. Nti I hope say obetra we a must try one bi. But me don't call any of my me wa ha. Nti dia me wa ha skimmed milk. Obetumi use full fat but they be me use skimmed milk for me donut nia. Nti we no 110 milliliters room temperature. And I we say me flour ni 200 grams. And I we me butter and so 50 grams. And I we say me sugar nso 50 grams. And I we say 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut so on kube na awon enu ni so nti wa we na nso 30 grams by 3 tablespoons. And I we 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We salt a pinch pen na me be use and I use vanilla extract. We no man ye dan kasa batuni we ya use dia wu pe bia so and I weigh room temperature 2 eggs and so ni. Enti nyoma me wa ha nwanyo. And na me wa me nutmeg. Na nutmeg ni use fresh one no e ma ne yehwa mo ni nso a powder no so ye kama. Enti dia me be nyina ne say me de me baking powder no egu so fa me nutmeg no no wachi. Na nihwa na afei odi wo sugar no so aka no say desiccated coconut no me di gu milk ni obetumi di egu o mixture ni musa na me try this recipe with mam blending and me try the ma blending no the ya blending no e ma nice flavor open crunchiness ni wo mu dia fegu musa don blend it so and say there me and say me the desiccated coconut na gu milk ni na say with the blender and a hand blender now the me blend mu kakra. Afe now the egg no now the egum so 2 eggs. Then so I blending for about 1 minute. And they said, "Yami and Nani say me family 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract." And so here. Now the entire me say, "Upo ski egg no, efra or milk na. And money are very light and fluffy. But and mix it with butter, which is your flour and sugar and milk as well. And my washing is a kama. Now say no do pinch of salt. Aka kitwe. Now I can with dry ingredients in Afra. But more than answer be you soup of fingertips, so I'm not there in the camera. To any day once I'm a bomb or dear mouth, the smallest measurement a womb, so I'm to know answer what are there in 2 paper bria. Now we use measurement. And they say I won't send me pastry now. Butter ni na incorporate wo mu kama so na afi we bie say na o milk no and no desiccated coconut no and egg no na di egum na afi no anisa wo kan fo and to one send a desiccated coconut and vanilla no are so nice now. Tip back from the maybe I will share me wagana now need desiccated coconut air dry one. Chew ukube ya uwa na wachi no wahatem kakre na dia and now so uchi mo pa now dia be come to me kuri Who try we are? Mommy who said get to us. Do I want to make sure I light? So I am very light. And to any say now we're just for about 5 minutes. Now back to us. And they said the man is sounds a masopa man was it. So I'm will be up and maybe it's sunflower, maybe a doughnut, a kind of that. Now chancey way their memories power. I told the beer who will be do of fear that the young to chin where they were foot and the mama and you know. Chancey way. I debate 15 years will be fear or been at the chair and they need a bedding poke. I told the beer I was so just be do of your memories. Am I grounded whom your masenti? I love things like this. A ma me who say, Nyame, ye movie or dear free baby, I be baby. Into a home. I am a catcher or say, Kwakuma to your ma. I will move in and I'm in our channels. I hear to us. And they say, man, way out dog, so I won't tell where be a penna, so I shall be in Suessy, has say. I made the men sa home, made the men sabo. Na fe, what far, or me shano. Na, why any say, I was any ametino. Na, dear two. So the 2 more pair, I was a basel of hair. Or the 2 more. Or the 2 now form of natural say, and 1 in noise. Open ice cream scoop, so I'll show my first video now. Be who send me. Man, some of the men are bones, you so na what it now for the 200 grow. I see an affair the white and way ye will soon him come. Shenakono. Se me chidi aka no ne achi aso. Kese ne donut ya ye. Na kono. We dia me dey brown. She. Se ne aka. Na any ice water, any lemon and make any no cold ya try. We no. Add the kakra. One say 50 grams and yet too sweet. Aye na 2 year sweet biaka. Na mami nchaba nchira. Mi mbuo mi ncha. So Kadi. She donut bag. E huni e crispy fe mo no as a cake. So I'm saying na me no woka. Aye kama. We dey mun drama. Cameraman we dey worry back up e. O se o twem din komo bia na pese wa je dey aka. It's me driver. Wow, mama. I dare you. Che. You're nice. Need to mean guys. Where dear, Madame Mr. Santini Man Rose, I say. When I'm over try recipe, I'm going to say, wait, you say, make your mammy fan shaman. It's in your mission. Now. Ye me jam e tiawa na me sime nka be bia bio se won se na me no ka chance a obi di chair me amahwe so e to de bia abrabo to ho ye twi ka se me ka bi se di adane obi di sa chance ni chair me no ampo na enye mo no I bless my life and no adedada no na mahwe na me dia create me recipes enne me ne wo chebi so I told her be now at this stage in life and your wedding. Na so be chawade na nya fufu mpa ma wani so. Enyi na baby nkasa se o na nka me hia ade we enso de akare dada na ama me o de mpapo dada. Sa de dada na nyame de to na kuma so mo de ma so hwe ya something will come out. And no and am ija. Inti so subscribe to this channel. And my donut make sure you say as a cake here, we better try to try one see ya. But more than subscribe, send me channel where you will never regret subscribing to it. And one, I love you, God.